Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. In this video, I want to share with you something that is very timely with all the coronavirus, pandemic and everything going on. So people are advising everyone to wash their hands, right? To wash their hands properly. But I see a lot of people doing it, and I see them not doing it properly. So the question there is, how do you wash your hands properly? Right? There's a few things I want you to remember. First, I want you to remember to wash your hands for around 20 seconds. If you don't have a watch, you don't have a clock. So the question is, how do you actually determine how long is 20 seconds? Because you can be counting too fast, right? And that's not going to be very effective. So what I suggest or I recommend is singing happy birthday 2 times. Because more or less, that will be around 20 seconds, which I'm going to show you later. All right. The second thing I want you to remember is when you're washing your hands, you have to wash your wrist also, because it's so close proximity to your hands that you can have germs, bacteria, viruses there, that when you don't wash it, then it will affect, you might get it back to your hands, right? So remember to wash up to that level. And then the third thing I want you to remember is I want you to scrub underneath your fingernails also. So needless to say, long fingernails are not very recommended here. Short fingernails are good, so you can scrub more easily. You can get the germs, the virus, bacteria out of those areas, okay? Because if you have long fingernails, those germs, bacteria, and virus can actually embed in there. All right, so let me show you how to do it. All right, so I want to welcome you to the kitchen of Restore Plus. Actually, this doubles our staff room also. Basically, it's a multi-purpose room. We do a lot of things in here. Now, anyway, so let me show you what to do. So first is you get the soap, all right, and you turn on the water, and then I'm going to start saying happy birthday, and then the time you can time me and then see how long it takes. All right, so you're with it and go. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh, let me close the water. I forgot that. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So more or less that's how many seconds that, like around 23 seconds. So yeah, that's a good approximate. So after this, what we want to do now is just want to rinse off. All right. And then one thing would recommend actually is you dry up, and you can actually use the paper towel that you use to dry your hands. You can actually use that to turn off the water, so that way you're not touching it. Okay, so those are things that I want you to remember, because naturally when we do it so fast, we actually forget. So that's something that I would want everyone to remember, so that you keep your hands as clean as possible. All right, so let me know what you think. Let me know how this what do you think of this video, if this is important to you, how it affects to you. Feel free to leave your comments below. Definitely share this with family and friends, because it is very important. It might mean saving a life at this point. All right, so subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can like us on Facebook or follow us on Instagram. All right, so I'll see you on the next video on how to stay safe, and so you stay safe and stay pain-free. Bye.